What you doing?
Engines.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time dropping in, Tommy Kentner here. Today we're working on some R35s. We got John's motor back from Tim, and we got some of his parts back from powder coating. But we're gonna get it back in the car.
Yeah, I gotta keep dreaming, gotta keep going. Yeah, I gotta keep pushing, gotta keep breathing. Yeah, I gotta keep working. Yeah, at least for the moment, start with $1 million. And I want my mansion, so my family knows that we are set for life. Yeah, ain't nothing that's gonna take over. Shit, know when they gonna take it, but I grab it. I'ma have it, I've been cut to my habits. So I gotta do it, man, I tell them to math this. Cause I be really better, man, I want my status. Damn, they gonna see that I do this, they gonna see that I did this though. Now they say, oh shit, I can't do the same when you kidding, bro. Cause I spend my time just working, but I spend my time just grinding. And I spend my time in the studio with these lyrics, just combining, just fortune all these diamonds. Cause I made it from far, and nobody believed it, but I showed them what I was. It's sure. Cause I am a monster, I'm back on my run, yeah. I'm about to show them what I have been on, yeah. Cause I'm about to do it when they see that I'm around, yeah. Cause we pull up with action, yeah, we make them all believe.
Alright, guys. Adrian's kind of got it mocked up, showing you progress. Now we got turbos. But that looks good.
Nothing, they told me I was a kid that never will complete it, never do just all these things. But they don't even know me, they don't know what I can bring. It's thunder out the sky, I'm electric with these things. Like I'm so electric, I'm about to do it, I put in the work and I saw them I get this. I'm on my ship and I'm sailing the west. Hey, homie, I just be the captain. I'm showing my brothers and people the way that we move, like we about to get this. Homie, we working so hard, like all of our time. We've been investing in the work, investing in my time, investing in the team, investing in my mind. Make them all believe. Come on.
Adrian, have you made any progress on the GTR? No. No, none at all. Guys, we got the axles bolted up. The motor is in. The cradle's in. So, slowly but surely. What'd you get done?
Well, a lot. No, I mean,
it's got him whooped.
Yeah, I'm sore today. But, you know, we got the motor in, obviously. Wiring harnesses on the car. All the accessories are all on the motor. Everything's buttoned up in that sense. Wiring harness is ran back to the area it needs to. Obviously, I still got to put it into the cabin to get to the ECU and stuff like that. But really all that's left is just the fittings for the fuel system and putting the intercooler pipes on, and we're pretty much ready for the first fire up. Well, we are waiting on the new oil cooler.
Yes.
We didn't want to risk, with the history of the motor and stuff like that, and the build, we didn't want to risk using the oil cooler again.
Does it have metal through it?
So we ordered the CSF race oil cooler for the R35 that they made in conjunction with Sissio.
Yeah.
So hopefully we'll have that here in the next couple days. It's really going to be the only thing holding us up. So I think Tommy's planning on kind of ending this video here.
Yep.
Because it might be a couple days before that oil cooler comes in, so that'll be really the thing that's going to hold me up. So I might end up moving on to something else after I get this fuel system stuff buttoned up, so that we can just knock that out and get the first fire up tune on it and go from there.
Yep. But guys, yeah, like you said, we're probably going to end this one here and then just give y'all the rundown. Don't forget, this Saturday we have a little car meet behind our building at Love's Bistro. I'll drop her information right here, somewhere in here.
It's right next to Riverside Church.
Yep.
It's the giant church on Riverside.
But just, if you could try to come in between us and O'Reilly's, they're in the very back. And then we got Slush coming up October 14th. I'll drop that information here too. And then, is it the week after next? Or is it next week?
Next week we leave for FL2K. Next Tuesday we leave for FL2K.
I don't even.
Yeah.
Are we even ready for that? Are we?
No. I don't think we can get tickets yet.
I'll go do that after this. But so yeah, so we leave.
Did we tell them that we're not being able to take my car?
Oh yeah.
We were trying to get my car to go for the roll race class, but by the time we got the car off the dyno and a couple little things sorted out, the roll race was sold out.
Yep.
So nothing for us.
You snooze, you lose.
Yeah.
But guys, we're still going to go. We're going to have fun. But we will be going to FL2K, leaving next Tuesday.
Night, yeah.
God, I thought it was another week away.
And then Slush is the next weekend after we get back.
So a lot of content coming up. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And man, that red really pops with an intake.
Yeah, and then he's got the alpha little overflow too. That's nice. You know, sits in here somewhere. Right here.
Oh yeah, that's gonna look good. Yep, gonna look good.
Sucks that R35s have so much crud everywhere.
Let's wire take.
Golly, I can only imagine.
That'd be a nightmare. But guys, hit that subscribe button, and just like that, we'll catch you in the next episode. Peace.
Yeah, I gotta keep dreaming, gotta keep going. Yeah, I gotta keep pushing, gotta keep breathing. Yeah, I gotta keep working. Yeah, at least for the moment, start with a million. And I want my mansion, so my family knows that we are set for life. Yeah, ain't nothing that's gonna take over. Shit, know when they're gonna take it, but I grab it. I'ma have it. I've been good to my habits, so I